Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Neo Calapan Mall, located at Ross Drive, Santo Niño, Calapan City.
Magandang gabi sa inyong tatlo.
Magandang gabi rin po.
Magandang gabi.
Good evening, guys.
Evening po.
Welcome to Calapan City. Welcome to No Holds Barred. Welcome to Oriental Mindoro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maaari po ba kayong magpakilala sa ating mga manonood? Isa-isahin natin. You are?
Ayun po, magandang gabi po. Ako po si Stan Perfecto.
Makinig ka, Fort. Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Dan Villano.
Maraming nanonood sa atin ngayon na taga Calapan City, taga Oriental Mindoro, and we now have some singers na ngayon they are making it big into this industry like Lizelle, like Rob Salazar. So I'm sure marami pang gustong mga sumunod sa kanilang yapak at sa inyong yapak. Meron ba kayong mga advice for the singers who want to try it also?
Sa ano po, veterano na.
Ano sa veterano?
Hindi, yun nga. Kung ano yung nasa heart nyo, kung let's say, gusto mo talaga kumanta,
Oo.
nag-go.
I-push mo lang
Push
yan.
mo lang yun. Lalapas yun.
Sasamahan mo rin ng ano, syempre, samahan mo rin ng ensayo. Kailangan sipag eh. Hindi pwedeng daydream ka lang parate eh.
There is one song that defines your personality. What song would that be? At syempre hindi natin ipagkakait na sana makahingi ng konting linya, just a few lines. A particular song that defines your personality. Tristan.
I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message would have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change.
Foolish heart, hear me calling. Stop before you start falling. Foolish heart.
Kung kanina nga ay nakasama natin na nagwagwapuhang singers ng Voices on Tour, ngayon naman ay makakasama natin ang tatlong nagagandahang celebrity singers. Atin po silang kilalanin isa-isa. Welcome to the program. Magandang hapon.
Hi!
Hello. Pwede bang magpakilala kayo isa-isa?
Hello po. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Penelope.
How young are you, Penelope?
22.
22. From what place?
From Batangas.
Hi! Hello po! Ako po si Isa Fabregas, 25 years old from Manila, Quezon City.
Hello, ako po ang malaking si Janice.
Pagkatapos nyong sumali sa The Voice of the Philippines, so what changed? Ano yung nagbago? Janice?
Nagbago yung trabaho. Nadagdagan yung trabaho, nadagdagan yung mga privileges, opportunities, mas dumami.
Mahirap ba yung transition? Dati parang normal ko, tapos ngayon, eto na, you are Penelope, you're appearing on TV.
Hindi naman, kasi di ba parang hindi naman ako yung tipo ng, oh my God, paparazzi, ganyan. Siyempre, masaya kasi maraming mga racket.
What about you, Isa?
Well, ako medyo kakaiba rin yung transition ko eh. Kasi 2 taon na ako nagtatrabaho in the corporate world and then biglang,
Suddenly, ito.
oo, kumakanta lang ako sa church, tapos biglang napasali ako sa isang competition, national competition ba? First competition.
First ever.
First ever
Was it
competition.
difficult? Counting on your experience, Janice, anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Well, honestly, may ganun pala. Para sa akin, syempre kung ano yung dream mo, work hard on it, plan it, and alagaan mo yung anong meron ka, yung talent mo, alagaan mo. Kasi ako yung personally experience ko sa The Voice, na-underestimate ko yung yung pressure ng akala ko sa'yo, kaya ko na yan. Akala ko, carry ko na yan eh. Pero talagang nagkasakit kami and there were times na feeling ko last week ko na kasi wala na talaga ng boses and yung pahinga, masyado kami na-overwhelm sa fame na nakukuha natin sa competition.
What about Isa? Your first time, you mentioned.
First time ko talaga.
So, anong advice mo sa mga gustong sumubok?
Well, one is for in a singing competition, kailangan confident ka na pag nag-start ka. Kasi kung hindi ka confident sa boses mo, talagang kakainin ka talaga ng ibang tao. Yun talaga yun. For me, at least yung mentally kakainin ka. Kasi for me, yung competition, hindi lang siya physical, in terms, mental siya.
And emotional.
Yes, mental and emotional. Kailangan may strategy ka na, at saka kailangan, strategy para at least may foundation ka dun eh. Kailangan nakahawak ka dun sa foundation ng strategy mo.
At katulad din ng ginawa natin kanina sa ating mga male singers, the song that describes you, the song that defines your personality, just a few lines, if you could sing. What about you, Liza? Go muna.
Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
Siyempre, Pen.
It's over and done, but the heartache lives on inside. But who is the one you're clinging to instead of me tonight? Now that I need you, tears on my pillow. Wherever you go, no. Cry me a river, valleys to your ocean. You'll never see me fall apart. In the words of a broken heart, it's just emotions taking me over. I'm caught up in sorrow, lost in the soul. But if you don't come back, come home to me, darling. Don't you know there's don't you know there's no kiss goodnight, goodnight, goodnight.
So what about you, Janice?
I'm looking out on the morning rain. Oh, it made me feel so inspired. And then I knew that God, I had to face another day. Oh, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind. But you're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you make me feel, oh, you make me feel, oh, you make me feel like a natural woman, woman.
The voice.
More power sa inyong program, and sana maging successful pa ang every episode nyo.
Happy 5th anniversary to No Holds Barred, and thank you for having us, and sana may nakuha rin kayo sa interview namin, and God bless your show, many more years to come for you guys. Thank you again.
Happy 5th season, No Holds Barred.
Hi, No Holds Barred. Happy 5th anniversary. And yun, stay strong, and then sana may invite kami ulit na mag-perform.
Kahit bukas ka agad.
Kahit agad-agad.
No Holds Barred, more power to you. Happy 5th anniversary.
Mula po sa No Holds Barred, maraming salamat. Napaka-special ng aming episode.
Thank
Dahil
you.
nakasama namin kayo at nag-enjoy kami sa interview na to.
Sana po makabalik.
On inspiring a lot of Filipinos.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat din.
Okay, No Holds Barred.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Neo Calapan Mall, located at Rojas Drive, Santo Niño, Calapan City.